In this episode of XIA News, we will be talking about how Microsoft discounted its great Surface headphones by $100. Let's get started. Microsoft released its Surface headphones back in November, and this is the first major discount on it since then. People has found them to have great wireless performance, excellent noise cancellation, and above average sound quality overall. Microsoft headphones have Cortana built in, and they also work with Apple Siri or Google Assistant on Android. Surface headphones also include noise cancellation, smart switching between multiple paired devices, and USB Type-C charging. Now, it seems like Microsoft is discounting its Surface headphones by $100. This deal is available over the company's online store, and the temporary price cut is now $249 in America. Rumors suggest Microsoft might also be preparing its own Surface earbuds to compete with Apple's AirPods. Like the existing headphones, these earbuds are rumored to include Cortana support and noise cancellation. That's the entire news, but let's see what others think about this. Volotoscope says, for premium noise cancelling headphones, these are pretty competitively priced now. Silver Surfer Has the Power says, Bose, your turn now. Zduboss says, $250 is a good price for these. However, WiseGuard seems to disagree. He says, still around $100 too expensive. Buxton says, love mine. I use them about 2 hours a day and go on about a week between charges. I don't use the Cortana feature, but as far as I know, it's activated. Cake Batter says, the price is nice, but the last time I checked, the useless Cortana function significantly lowers the battery life. Cake Batter, I think you just have to mix it. This has been XIA News, hosted by SJ. Thank you so very much for watching. Please click on one of the things shown on screen right now. And subscribing will be very helpful too. Thank you, and goodbye.